everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to reveal the newest Softlex company design kit? Arctic Circle, this is their exclusive kit for the Great Bead Extravaganza for winter 2025. They do have the monthly kits that the new kit is available the last Wednesday of every month. So they do give us a little sampling for the TGBE kit of what we get. Oh, we get some Pro Econoflex in here. It looks like silver metals are a colorway. And we have some ceramic penguins, some beading thread, and then we have a custom bead mix from Beadora. Those are always super fun. And anything mentioned on the top part, if there was any left over or some items they already have on their website, we will leave a link down below in the description for that. And then we do have some exclusive items that are only available for this kit. And I will also leave a link to the playlist for all future tutorials featuring this Arctic Circle design kit. Let's see what's inside. So the first thing we have are some seed beads, and these are from John Bead, size 10-0. Their TGBE kits are always special. There's always like a little surprise item in there that kind of makes you think outside the box. So we have our Pro Econoflex, and this one is in silver, the medium length. We have our, let's see, custom bead mix from Beadora. Super pretty, very Arctic colors. We have a needle, and this is a big eye needle. So these are super awesome. Pretty much the whole needle is the eye, so it makes it super easy to thread. We do have some beading thread by Miyuki. Oh, cute. Our little custom items in here. And we have this item. This is a custom item. It is a mini embroidery hoop. So I think this is going to be our kind of think outside the box or our challenge item. I'm really excited to see what everybody creates with this. So this will be a fun project. And then we have a couple strands of our check glass. This is beautiful, very frosty. So it is a matte crystal. And then we have these cute little beads here in an aqua. And we have a 6 millimeter check glass matte frosted clear fire polish bead and a 6 millimeter check glass aqua exclusive items. There is a check glass triangle bead, ceramic blue star beads, and the Beadora mix. Looks like it has 3 different colors of beads and some little gold beads. Will be available on January 8th on softflexcompany.com. So let's look at our exclusive items. We have a lobster claw in silver. Oh, these little penguins are so cute. And then we have 2 pairs of ear wires. Make some earrings. These are our exclusive star beads, and they have a really large hole. So those would be fun to maybe use the seed beads with them, or maybe make like a little tassel. And this is our check glass tanzanite rectangle bead. It's very pretty. It's got like a little shimmer finish to it. And then these little penguins are just adorable. They are teeny tiny ceramic penguins, and they are currently available on the Softlex website. So cute. So you really do get a lot in this kit, and then you have your 22x2s in silver. You really do get a lot in the kit. So I'm excited to see what everyone creates with it. Perfect winter vibes with this kit. So beautiful in the colorways. And I'm very excited to start creating. And if you like this unboxing video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It will help my little channel grow. And I'll also leave a link down below in the description for all the other Softlex company design kit unboxings. Have an awesome day.